Drones are changing the way we explore the world. From uncovering hidden secrets to rewriting history, here are three incredible discoveries made with drone technology. In Hawaii, drones explored steep, unreachable cliffs on Kauai and discovered a brand new plant species, Chiadea waiahuluensis. These drones went where humans couldn't, showing how the future of science is airborne. In the Amazon, drones unveiled massive ancient earthworks, geoglyphs hidden beneath the jungle canopy. These shapes, created thousands of years ago, hint at advanced prehistoric societies we never knew existed. And in Peru, drones are transforming archaeology. They've mapped ancient sites like the high-altitude town of Machu Picchu in weeks instead of years, creating precise three-dimensional models of lost history. From cliffs to jungles to ancient ruins, drones are helping us see the world like never before. What will they discover next? Subscribe for more incredible drone stories.